Hi. So here I am again in my car. I've been continuing to go to my ex-sister-in-law's and help her with decluttering and cleaning and getting her house ready for sale. I'll link the first video from there in the end screen if you haven't seen it already. What a big transformation that was. But we didn't get quite done. And I have good news. She's got an accepted conditional offer. Hopefully those conditions will be signed off shortly. And regardless, we got to get moving. We got to get things packed up and ready to go because she wants to be gone in a little bit over a month. So we're going to be starting on the linen closet and the entrance hall closet. You should always begin your packing on the things that you use the least. You know, things that are in storage, which typically are in closets. And then you can go from there. So after we do the closets, we'll probably move on to the china cabinets, and then we'll see. Well, I'm back here again today, and I wanted to clean out the linen closet here first and start packing stuff up. We kind of threw a bunch of things in here, just trying to get stuff out of the way. And we've got cardboard boxes, and we've got a big bin. You don't be packing anything heavy in big boxes or bins. So I'm thinking the quilt and lightweight stuff will be going in the bin, the things she's keeping. And I don't know if there's going to be stuff to donate or trash in here too. We've got a little mixture of everything here. We got some Christmas stuff too and paper. So I'll just get at it. I don't think it'll take that long. It is 11:25 and I'll just get going. Okay, so we've got everything taken out of the linen closet that's coming out. I have yet to organize it, the rest of this stuff here, but they're all in piles of things, you know, things that need to be shredded. I've started packing up that big bin of blankets and stuff, and we've got things that electronic waste over there, plus we got some new stuff, but it belongs in the kitchen. Cleaning stuff here, things to donate, Christmas stuff over there. Of course, we've got the recycling here, garbage, and that we've already packed up a bunch of medications and supplements and things like that. And those two things are gifts. So that is where we're at right now, and it is 12:30, so it took me just over an hour of getting everything out and sorted. Well, I did end up putting a few things back in here temporarily. We boxed up a bunch of things there that we're keeping. I moved the pet stuff here. Got light bulbs there, cleaning stuff there, obviously. I'm sure the books and things will get packed away eventually somewhere else, but right now, I just wanted to tidy it up. I brought the little tool kit here. It was in the front hall. And these boxes are probably going to go in the kitchen, but that's what we have for now. So it's a little bit tidier and gives us a little bit more space when we get the other stuff organized. This is the bin from the linen closet, and I managed to find a few extra quilts and duvet covers and things that were down in the laundry room. These are ones she wants to keep. So put that in there, and that's not too heavy because it's mostly soft stuff, and there is a couple of photo albums and her swan thing that was for the bathroom. Well, again, I forgot to take a before photo. I already took out all those little boots and coats over there that fell off the chair, and a few other things, but I'm going to remove everything here. Well, I put this box of bags down there, and there's just one pair of boots and one shoes, and a couple of coats that were the tenants, a couple of dog coats. I put the tie downs up there. There's like a bracket or something in that thing. We're not sure what it's from, so we're just going to hang on to it for a little bit longer. And I packed up the coats and boots and shoes that we're keeping. This is an empty box, empty bags, packing material. Well, I'm back here again, and today I'm going to start with clearing this out and start doing some packing. Found a few totes here, and I got the wrapping stuff there, and Misha's going to be supervising. Okay, I thought we were all done, and then she found some more things she's going to get rid of. So this is what we're getting rid of, and that stuff in there is for her daughter to go through, and most of this stuff we are going to be keeping. Those wine glasses there, she's going to try and sell them. She did offer them to family, and they didn't want them right now, and she thinks she may end up keeping some of the champagne glasses over there. Well, I think that's a good start. I got to start packing all this up. All these little teacups are from Occupied Japan, which is kind of neat, and a lot of these little things are sentimental to her, so that's great. And you know, like I said to her, my rules for keeping things are you have to love it, use it, or find it to be at least beautiful. Okay, so I've got these two boxes packed up. This one just has wine glasses. I'm hoping that those little ones on the top will not get broken. There is like quite a bit of padding here, and she will be taking this box in her car because it's all fragile. And here I've also been using little cloths and a tablecloth here to pack up the fragile stuff. And the little plates I've put vertically because apparently that is the better way to move things. Another bin packed, and it's heavy enough so I'm not putting any more in it, even though there's a little bit of room. That just has silver, jade, and OJ mugs. Next we are going to start going through this little cabinet, and that's going to be a surprise too because we don't know what's in there. And we started packing up another bin here. It's got an antique radio, strawberry molds, her sewing kit, and a picture in there, I believe. So in that thing there, it's basically empty. I think we put one or two things back in the drawer, and that's it. So we're getting there. Well, we've added a few more things to get rid of here. Some pictures and this waffle mold thing, a little scarf thing. So getting rid of all that stuff, which I think she did pretty good with. We put some of these wine glasses back in there so they don't get wrecked. Her niece has agreed to take a few of them, and the rest of them I think she's gonna see if somebody else wants or possibly sell.